the process. What's up, y'all? It's Sunday. I'm doing daughter duties. I am getting business cards right now, and I'm about to go down to the event, so stay tuned. I'm working. Y'all stay tuned. Long day you get tired. You got what I want. You so real. Say hey to my YouTube. Say hey. I like your little pajamas and your little shoes. So thank you. Silly girl. I am standing in for Shop Erica Renee. She has an event here. She's gonna be here a little later. As you can see, we have loaded this up. My dear friend here who be in my cut. Done brought little Noah. We working, boy. She been helping me. Y'all stay tuned.
No, I'm calling to make sure. There you go.
Okay. So you want to make the dream work?
Testing 1, 2.
DJ.
1, 2. Testing 1, 2.
We have a little bar over here.
1, 2. Testing 1, 2. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Testing. All right.
No, say hi. Let me see your Paw Patrol shoes. Who is that?
1, 2. Testing 1, 2. 1, 2.
I'm whipping the big dog today, y'all. Whipping the big dog. Hey, go Noah. Oh. Noah, you are hilarious.
I need you to vlog on my camera.
Oh, nah, you tripping. I can't do both.
Yes, you have to. And my phone when I go down the
Oh, nah, you doing too much.
And the company is Faces by Grey. The category is
Avant-garde.
And with theme 1, we'll have the Avatar Warrior. Theme 2, we'll have the Mermaid. And theme 3, we'll have the Siren, the Queen of the Sea.
still long like weed, still wet like Florida.
All right, y'all. I finally made it home. I want to show y'all the things that I got from the event. This bedroom candy spray or body spray, I got that. I'll sit that there. These were the cookies that I got from the Chatty Cookie. And this bedroom candy bubble bath. And then I got 2 lingerie pieces. This is by Victoria, bedroom candy by Victoria. I will show you guys, I'll put her Instagram name and stuff here, but this is it, Victoria Payne. She also does photography. Isn't this dope? Can y'all see this? This is so dope. She does photography too. Y'all should check her out. Check all these people out.